your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox. Using a 4mm Allen key, start by unscrewing the holding screws on the air inlet conduit. You can then release the airbox conduit by pulling on it. With a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, remove the holding screws on the airbox. You can now lift the back of the airbox, which will give you access to the small breather conduit so you can remove it. Lift the airbox completely and remove the second hose using a flathead screwdriver and unscrewing the clamping clip. Pull on it, making little back and forth movements. To open the airbox, you have to remove the 6 flange retaining screws. With a socket wrench and a 7mm socket, unscrew the flange. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Open the flange and remove the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter in the flange. Then screw the 6 retaining screws back in. Put the hose back in place and tighten the clamping clip. Put the airbox back in position, then reattach the small breather hose. Put the airbox back in its housing, then clip it in place by pushing down on it. Now screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Reinsert the air inlet conduit into the airbox and finish by screwing the retaining screws for the conduit back in. Operation completed.